this for reference. So this is your October 21 P22. So we have discussed what text files are, and you know that as far as text
Yes.
file is concerned, it's used to permanently store data. There are different modes of operation of a text file, such as you can open a file, you have to open a file for reading, you can write to a file, you can append a file, you have to close a file, you can also delete a file. So there are 4 to 5 operations of text file that you have. Okay, so let's see
Mm.
what this question is. So a company has several departments. Each department stores name, email address, and the status of each employee in that department in its own text file. All text files have the same format. Employee details are stored as uh, 3 separate data strings on 3 consecutive lines of file. An example of the first six lines of one of the file is as follow. So first name, employee's name, email address first employee status. Okay, then you have second employee name, second email address, and second employee status. So okay, so you get the point. So in multiple lines, you have multiple groups of employees and their information. Fine. The question says a procedure make new file will take 3 parameters as strings: an existing file name, a new file, a search status value. Okay, status, this status. Okay, so existing file and a new file. Create a
Mm.
new text file using the new file name. Write all the employee details to the new file where the employee status is not equal to the search status value. That's the most important part. Okay.
Mm.
Count the number of sets of employee where set of employee details that were in the original file. Count the number of sets of employee details that were returned to a new file. So we have to count number of sets of number of sets of employee details. Okay. Produce a summary output. An example summary output is as follows. Write pseudocode for file marketing contain for 54 employee details. This one count
Mm.
52 employee details set. This one were written to the new file. So you see this set of employees
Yes.
and set of employees. Write a pseudocode to make new file. Okay. So this is your question of 7 marks.
7 months.
So I will just do is just give me a second. I'll write it down.
Mm.
Meanwhile, what I can hold on. Maybe I can share the paper with you. Do you want to read it this, right?
Yes.
Uh, what is this? What is this? So sorry. Just close this. Uh, okay, so we will have over here. In fact, you know what? Uh, I'll just type it instead because writing it down takes more time. We will
Mm.
have over here is a procedure, and which will be file, and over here we will have is old file, and we will obviously have is the new file and the status. Oh, the status, right?
Mm.
And okay, these will be defined as your string. Fine, agree with me? You have the question with you. Now we have to declare what? We will be declaring over here. We will declare over here is, let's say, line, or we need line 1, we need line 2, and we also need is line 3. Let me zoom in a bit. We need is line 3. Okay, and all these lines would obviously be string as well. We will also declare over here number copied and number of records as well. The number of records, and these will obviously, since we need to count them, they will obviously be an int. So do you agree with me till here? Yes or no?
Yes, I do. Yes.
And then obviously we have to initialize our two things, the number of records and number copied. So because the question says we have to count is the number of records, and these number of records, what I'll do is how do I can use this as 0, and I could use over here is number copied again would be 0. Yes. Again, you agree with me till here?
Yes, I do.
Okay, right. Now, okay, we have let's practice this more. So whenever you have to write files, copy one file to the other file, so we will first of all do is we'll open the old file for read. Okay, and that's exactly the same way we also do in Python as well. Then we have to open the new file, okay, for write, because we have to write from the old file, reading it out and writing it to the new file. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So now we have to actually go through the old file. If you read the question again, you will see over here is they're saying is write all employee details to new file with employee status is not equal to search file, right? Count and write. So obviously we have to write details to new file, but we have to read it from the old file. So we have to read till the end of file. We have to read all the lines 1, 2, and 3 of the old file. Okay, and then obviously we have to use while loop, and we'll also increment it so that we can run this and read all the data. So if we want to read all the data from there, we will simply use over here is the while. Maybe you can think of some other as well, a bit different, obviously. While end of file, initial would obviously be the same. So end of file of what you will have is the old file that you have. Okay, so old file, and then what we'll do is we will read file, old file, and this would be line 1. Okay, and then I'll just somehow save my time. So let's see. So we would be line 1, line 2, line 3, right? So one by one we'll read it, but we have to do is so we had over here number copied, yes. So the number copied would be number copied plus 1. Now, why am I doing number copied plus 1? Because obviously I have to keep on I have to read all the lines.
Hmm.
Okay, and I will go till the end so that I read the entire text file that I have of the old file. I don't miss out anything. But are we done? No, we are not done. Because now the important thing is we have to cater for this part, which says over here is write all employee details to new file. Okay, we have to write where the employee status is not equal to the search status. This point is important. How can we do that? Well, it's simple. What we can do is we can say over here is let's say we can say is no if now status was where status was if you see this over here it was in um, line 3. Okay, they're saying is
Hmm.
uh, employee details stored as separate data strings on 3 consecutive lines of the file. So in the third line, okay, if line 3 is not that's is not uh, status, then we will say is we have to write. So write file, the name of the I use the new file. Yes, I use new file. New file, line 1, 2. So if line 3 is not the status, then write to the new. Okay, and obviously
Yes.
we will have is the number copied, number copied. I copied plus 1. And that's increment. That's it. We have just have to end if uh, we have to. Okay, so I should have indented this. Uh, how do I do it?
So your voice is lagging.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was saying I have to indent this. You will remember it indenting, right? I have to use and while. Get the point? I have to indent this, obviously, and while. Okay. So if this part has to be indented, okay, and then we just have to give the output, and obviously the
Hmm.
output. Can you hear me, right, Abdullah? You can hear me, right?
I can, but your voice is lagging very badly.
Um.
Yes, yes, I can.
Okay. Okay. So just have to give the output now, and the output would be as such is we will write over here is file. Okay, contained page, employee details. comma, sets of, yeah. Okay, we can also use the other, for example, because for the next line, I can use this output. Details were written to this file, were written to file, file. And lastly, we always have to close the file or file and close file, new file, right? So
Yes.
this is how. So we always have to close. Okay. So good question. But I don't think so. It was very complicated. But this is the level that we
Hmm.
get. This was 7 marks
Yes.
question.
Do I also send you the paper you told me to attempt me? Or
Yes,
will we
yes,
discuss
yeah.
it tomorrow?
We will discuss it tomorrow, inshallah. Okay. I'll
Okay.
get the time to go through it. Then I can discuss any
Do I
points.
send you before or in class do we do it face to face?
I can do think so. We can do it in the class face to face. No problem.
Okay.
We'll do it right away.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Okay, beta. See you same time tomorrow. Okay. Inshallah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.